Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn some text function which you can also call the worksheet function in Excel. So first we will learn the vertex function. What vertex function will do? Vertex function will convert a number into a Thai language. So I will show you. I have write down here already 30. So I will show you how it is converted into a Thai. So for this you have to write down vertex, select, right? See, this is the Thai language, this is the Thai words. So I am showing you in Google. So let's see how we can convert this into English in Excel. You have to visit in the review tab and then translate. Now we move into the next function, which is character. So character is will give you the, if you put down some ASCII value, so it will give you the exact character. Suppose I have put down 39, so ASCII character will start from 1 to 255. If you put 256, it will give you a value error, right? So here I have put 39, which means apostrophe. So let's see how it's work. Character, you need to select the number, and in the same way for 33 it is a exclamation mark, for 65 it's represent A. Clean is a function which will help you to remove all the non-printable characters. If you want to know about non-printable characters, search it Google and you will get. It will give you like this code. It will give you the ASCII character. It will give you the ASCII number or ASCII value based on the first character of a word. Suppose you have text, I have written here text and it is given a value of 84. So let's see if I write down here 84, because in character we know that it will give us a text based on the ASCII character. So it should give us T. Yes, let's see that it's given us a T. So in the same way I have write down here text. So that's the reason on the basis of T it is given a output of 84. If we change it from CT, so C means 67. If you put down here 67, it will give you output of C. So character is transforming from number, from ASCII value to text, or code is transforming from text to ASCII value. What is concatenate? Concatenate is a very useful function in Excel. Suppose you have a name, first you have a column, first name and last name, and you whenever you want to deliver the report to the stakeholders, in that scenario you need to collate first name and last name in a single column. So what you will do in that scenario? You will just write down concatenate, select the first name. If you want to put some space, use a blank space inside the double quote and then select the second text. If you want to add multiple of text, you can add likewise and just close the bracket. So it will give you output like this. Suppose somebody's name is first name this and second name this, so it will give you an output like this. Exact, what exact will do? Exact is a function which will help you to understand is the two text is similar or not. If it's not matching, then it will give you output of false, and if it's matching, it will give you output of true. So let's see how it works. If just write down here exact comma text 2, because I have written in the first text place CT, and in the second text also it's written CT. If I write it down in a small words, it will give you output of false. So the text will in the same format. Dollar, what dollar will give you? Dollar will help you to put the dollar sign in front of the number. Suppose you are preparing a sales report where you got the numbers, but you need to put before the numbers a dollar sign to signify that it's a dollar. What you will do, you will write down the dollar and you will just select the number, and it will ask you how many decimals you want. If I put 2, so it will give you like this. See, if I change it to 1, it will give me a 10. What it will do, the find function. Find function will help you to find a specific word between a string or inside a string. So write down here find text. Suppose you want to find TU within text, you have to select the total text. Start number, I will start from the first character, so it will, I will put it 1. TU is in the fourth character. 1, 2, 3, 4. T is starting from the 4. What fixed will do? Fix decimal value. How do you represent a decimal value? Just put down a comma. I want a comma. Decimals 2, and I want the comma. See, if I don't want comma, then I need to write true, or if I write down false, then it will give a comma. Suppose you have write down 10,000, so it will divided the 1,000 by putting a comma. So if I change the false into true, what it will represent? It will give you output like this. There would be no commas. What left function will do? Suppose if you want to extract 4 or 5 characters from a string. So in that scenario you can use the left function. Suppose I want to extract welcome from the left side. I want to extract the welcome. So what I will do in that scenario, I will just write down the left. I will select the text and how many numbers I need. I will calculate here that W is 1, E is 2, L is 3. Likewise, I will end with E and it will count it as 8. So I write down 8 here and I will just press enter. So it will give me output of welcome. If you just copy and paste, so it will give you the this is. So it is totally the 8 characters is content, including the space also. In the len function, what len function will do, len function will give you how many letters is contain the specific string, including the space also. Suppose you want to know how many letters is contained in this string, so you just need to select this text by writing the len function and it will give output 16, and in the same way it will give you output of 16. Lower, what lower will do, lower will transform all the letter into a small letter. So here you can see that written it's in a caps letter. So in that scenario I just need to write down lower and I need to select the string and it will convert all the text into small text. So likewise it's given output of the same mid. Mid is a function which will help you to extract a specific number from a string, a specific characters from a string. There is no direction that you need to collect from the right side or you need to collect from the left side of the string. Here you can take anywhere you can take. Here you can take any kind of text from a string with any direction. Suppose I want to extract CT. So what I will do? In that scenario, I will start counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We know 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I will put down here 11 as C, and I need 2 characters. So 1, 2 CT I need. So I will put 2. It will give me output of, it will give you the output like this. But what proper will do, I have write here all the total string in a caps format. So it will give a output in a proper format. That means every word's first character will start in a caps and after that it will follow in a small characters. So write down here proper. Select the text and close the bracket. See, this is the changes. Number value, what number value does? Number value will convert a text. You can see here that it's a text. If I make it a text, it's a text, and if I want to convert it a number value, I need to select the text decimal converter. So always we use a decimal converter as dot, and group separator. Group separator means if I write down 1000, 10,000, so 10 it will separate by a comma, So I will write here a comma. I will write here a comma and just will close the bracket. See here, no comma is showing because it's not showing the high value. If I put here 10,000 watching this video, if you want to learn more about Excel functions, Excel formula or advanced Excel, please subscribe this channel.